Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to put a curved tempered glass for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So this curved tempered glass actually has a UV liquid in it. So you put the UV liquid on the screen and then put the tempered glass, which actually takes the shape of the entire corner and doesn't allow bubbles and all to form. So we're going to install this over here and then see how good it's going to be. I will be using it for a month and then we'll be reviewing it, and then we'll be talking about how good or bad this is going to be for your phone. So let's go ahead, see the installation process and then talk more about it. Okay, so let's see what do we get in this. So this is how it's packed. It says CaseCandy. So this has a lot of things written on it, so it's not for the product which is inside. It says premium accessories. So when you open it up, then this is how it is. Now this is the actual thing. So it says 1 minute UV glue nano liquid perfect fit design, 1 minute quick paste. So this is basically a fully curved screen protector. So this is for the OnePlus 9 Pro. So I actually went to Goa and without a screen protector, and the sand actually made some lines over here, so my screen has been scratched properly. So hopefully you can see it here. So there one is over here and I have one over here. So I wanted this one, so it actually goes through the curve, and I wanted something which can actually support covers like this. Like I have the UAG cover and the Rinky cover, so it should be able to support hard covers which are like rough and tough covers, and the tempered glass should not get pushed off, and I don't want bubbles on the side. So let's see if this one does the work. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so you get a installation cleaning kit, you get some paperwork, thank you and all that. Keep this aside. You have one UV light. So over here you have to put in a Type-C cable and then connect it to a power source like a power bank or whatever, and then you can use that. This is the UV glue, so you have to put this on the phone first and then put the screen on top. So, and this is the tempered glass. So this is my second one. The first one that I actually ordered came broken already, so it was shattered from here, so I ordered a second one. Now if you are buying it from Amazon, there is no return policy. So even if it is broken, you cannot return it, you cannot replace it. You will have to call them. There's a number to call and then they will give you a refund. So let's see how to actually put this. So this one has these stickers which you can actually stick on top and then hold it, and then this is the dust absorber in case after cleaning also there is some small dust, you can just pick it up from that. This is the wet wipe and this is the dry wipe cloth. Now let's tear the wet cloth part. Let's take this out. So there should be a little bit of liquid on this. Okay, there is. And now just open it up a little and then start cleaning. Now clean it properly. There should not be any oil or some residue left on the screen, because once the tempered glass has been put, you will not be able to remove it that easily. Most of the time if you try to remove it again and put it back, it generally breaks. Okay, I think it's clean enough. Now let's use this cloth and then wipe it off. And when you're doing all this, make sure you're in an environment which is dust free. Do not try to put it outside in the open, because while you're putting it, the dust, a small dust particle also can come in, and then that is going to be a big problem. It's going to make some marks which you cannot remove. I think it's clean enough. And let's keep this here. I'll show you how to actually use the dust absorber. So you can just remove this, peel it off, and then just do that on the screen. So if there is any dust, it'll just pick it up. So there is no dust. I just wanted to show you how it actually works. Put it back. So you can use this guide sticker, so you can actually put that sticker on top of this and then guide your tempered glass with that. Sometimes the curved ones you can't put it that easily. Now we need to put this glue on top. Open this up. I'm going to put the glue here. Okay, that's done. Now we need to remove this film gently. Don't want to break it. And now we have to just place it on top of it, but make sure it's aligned properly. Now because of the glue, it is moving a little bit, so you see it is automatically, the glue is going all over the place. It will fill in all the gaps. Okay, now we can use the UV light on this. Let's use the UV light. Plug this in, switch this on, and you just have to run it over here. Okay, so I switched off all the other lights just to show you how the UV light actually works. Let me try moving this and see if it is moving. Okay, it is done. It's not moving. It is stuck to the screen now, and no bubbles, and it has got a perfect fit. Let me just clean this once. Okay, so let's see if first of all, let's see if the scratches are completely gone. So now you can notice that there used to be a scratch here. That's completely gone. So even if I switch it on and unlock it and stuff, now you can see I cannot see the scratch at all. So this fills in all the gaps. So what the silicone liquid does is it goes in all the gap and then creates a layer over there which will actually remove all the lines, the fine lines, deep lines, everything. So I had two deep ones, one over here and one over here. Now it is completely gone. Now the test is if it will survive with a cover or not. Now this one has more space on the corners. This is the UAG one. So let's see. Let's hope it doesn't have a problem with this. Okay. Okay, so you can see it is case friendly. It is not touching that portion, and it is actually covering the screen part. It is actually covering the entire display part. So it is protecting your display also, and it's not coming in the way. Now let's see if it is okay. So it's not even bothering me with the curve. So the curve is also easily accessible. Now this one has a tighter grip. Let's see if it works with the ring key. Let's hope so, because ring keys generally don't let. Okay, cancel. Okay, and done. Okay, good news, it works with ring key also. So it actually gives enough space between the cover and the screen. It's just right. So the cutout is perfect. No issues with this. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. So let's discuss how was my experience with this. So basically, one thing which I liked about the UV liquid is even if you have like deep scratches, deep grooves on the phone screen, the UV liquid actually fills it in and it is completely gone. So you will not be able to see that. In the starting, the corners were fine, no issues with the corner, but as I used it more, the sides where from there the UV liquid which has hardened started coming off. So now I don't know whether you will be able to see this properly or not. I have this big bubble forming on the entire corner. So that has formed. But the quality of the tempered glass still remains good. Even though that corner does not look that great, but it is protecting my phone. Because of that, I'm not removing this tempered glass. I actually like it, and I'm keeping this on till the time the thing actually goes in too much into the screen. I'll just remove it and then put another one. Now the CaseCandy name is just an importer, so they don't manufacture it. The manufacturer is 1 Minute. I don't know where it's manufactured. There's no name, nothing, no information written on this. So good product. I don't know where is it made, but it's not from CaseCandy. They're just importing it and then putting it in their case and then just selling it. So anyways, good product. If you have any other questions or any queries, go ahead and ask me. I will be responding to that. My information is available in the description, and at the end of the video, if you want to see this video in a different language like Malayalam or Hindi, I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I will see you again with another video. Bye bye.